right is there, right? So whatever we have just seen is like a economic derivative work, or the adaptation, or the that there is a public display, public performance, distribution, or the reproduction. All these are the economic rights are there, right? Now we are talking about the moral rights. So what exactly, what are the examples? You can just check here. Moral rights, that right of attribution is there. So obviously the creator expect that yes, at least you should give the attribution. So who, from where the content is taken, and or the first who has created the content. That is a mandatory actually. If you don't do that, you may attract the litigation. Okay, so right to attribution is a very important actually. So next is like right of integrity. So it prevents distortion or mutilation or modification of that work. So if you feel that yes, I have bought that copyrighted work, I can do anything with that. Okay, so there is a very popular case actually, that Segal case is there, classic case for the moral rights. So although you have given the consideration, and although you have like now own that particular copyright, but you cannot display with that, you cannot do distortion, you cannot do the mutilation of that particular creation.